What if you could build your own AI research agent that reads everything instantly, summarize it, and never gets tired? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create powerful AI research agent using N8N and Perplexity. And the best part is no coding is required. So let's jump in. Alright, so today what we are going to build is an AI agent that we can all directly chat with it inside N8N, and we can give the topics that we want to create a research based on. So our AI agent is able to read our messages through the chat that we are sending to it, and it has a tool, very powerful tool using Perplexity in order to perform actions inside the internet and search or research for our topic. And then our AI agent is able to make a very beautiful research on that topic and send us back the result inside N8N or inside our email address, or it can also be a Google Sheet or Google documentation. So in order to create our research AI agent, so in order to build our AI research agent, we need to have N8N account. If you don't have it already, I'm gonna put a link down in the description. Just click on that link and you will be able to sign up to N8N, and they will give you 14 days free trial, and it is more than enough to test the platform and see what you can build. So once you create your account, just click here, you see it says create workflow. Just click on this and you'll come to this page, which is our editor page where we can build AI automations, AI workflows, and also AI agents. So the first step is actually to click on this plus button, and here we have so many triggers that we can start our workflow. So for this one, because we want to chat with our AI research agent, we need to choose on chat message. So click on this and you will bring this node here. So this means that we can directly chat with our AI research agent here in N8N. So if I click open chat, you will see that here I can type whatever I want and I can directly talk to my AI agent. But let's skip for now. And the next step is actually to send this message to our AI agent. So the next step is actually to bring an AI agent node. And again, click on this plus button and you see here you have AI. So click on AI, and under this menu, you need to find AI agent. So click on AI agent, and right now you have an AI agent node inside N8N where you can directly connect a chat model and connect a memory and give a tool. So in order for our AI agent to perform actions, we need to give a brain or a chat model. So by click on this, you will see that you have a list of large language models or LLMs such as Anthropic, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, and also if you scroll down, you will see that you have OpenAI chat model, which is my favorite. So just click on OpenAI, and here you need to connect your OpenAI account in order to use their API services. So right now you see that I already have connected mine, but if you don't know how to connect, just click on new credentials, and all you need is one API key. So in order to get your API key, just go to this website, platform.openai.com. I'm gonna put its link down in the description. Just go there and open one account for yourself. And once you are in, just go to the settings, and under the settings, if you find API keys, here you can create an API key for yourself. So just click on this create new secret key. So just give it a name. For this video, I'm just put the name test, and you need to choose your project if you have multiple projects, but if you don't have any projects, just choose default project and create your secret key. And once you do that, your API key is generated. And remember that this API key is showing only once, so copy this and save it somewhere else in your computer, and don't forget to show it to anyone else, because then they can use your API key and they can use all your balance inside OpenAI account. So once you have your API key, just copy it, go back to N8N and paste it here, and everything else is done. Just click save, and it will test your API key, and it turns to green. It says connection tested successfully. Now you successfully connected your OpenAI account to your N8N. But in order to use your OpenAI API key, you need to top up your balance. So if you go back to OpenAI dashboard, under the settings, you can see there is a billing. So if you go to billing, here you need to connect your credit card and top up your balance. As you can see, I have $4.70, and I'm able to use my API key, and the OpenAI will charge me based on my usage. But don't worry, these API calls are very cheap. In fact, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how much does it cost for me to use my API key inside N8N. So back to our N8N, once you connected your OpenAI account, now you will be able to choose your model, and you see that they have all these latest models inside this list, and based on your needs, go ahead and choose one. So for this video, I'm just gonna use GPT 4.1 mini, which is the fast and cheap. And that's it. Right now we have connected our brain to our AI agent. So now we can start talking to our agent and see if it can give us some answers. So open the chat here and say hello. And right now it is using its brain and it will give us the answer. So you can see that the node executed successfully and the output is hello, how can I assist you today? So let's just ask something else. Tell me rules of the game Blackjack. So now I'm asking the rules of the game Blackjack, and now it is using the brain and it will generate us an answer. All right, as you can see, our AI agent is done giving us the answer. It says the goal of the Blackjack is to have a hand value closer to 21. So now you can see that it is working. Our connection is good with OpenAI, and now we can give access of some tools to our AI agent. So let me close this one here. So now I want to give an access to my AI agent, a tool which is Perplexity. If you don't know what is Perplexity, basically it is same as ChatGPT but specifically made for web searching. So you can search or deep search any topic inside the internet and it will generate and give you the best possible answer. So in order to do that, from here you see that we have a tool. If you click on this plus button, we can add many tools to our AI agent, but right now I'm just gonna write Perplexity, and you see that we have a Perplexity tool. So if you click on this, and you will bring the Perplexity node. Again, we need to connect our credentials in order to use their service. So for that, you need to go to perplexity.ai. You need to create an account for yourself. I'm gonna put a link down in the description. Just click on that and go and create one account for yourself. So once you're done with your account, just click on here and go to your account. And here you can see your API keys. Again, click here and it will generate one API key for you. And from here you can copy it. But again, don't forget that you don't have to share these API keys with anyone else. Otherwise, they can use your balance and you will lose all of your money. Don't worry, after this video, I'm just gonna delete these API keys. So just copy your API key from here, go back to n8n and click on create new credential, and all you have to do is to paste your API key here and click save. Okay, good. Now you can see that it turns to green. It says connection tested successfully. Now our Perplexity account is connected to our n8n, but again, we need to top up our balance in order to use their API calls. So go back to Perplexity and you can see here API billing. From here you can buy some credits. As of now I have $2.86, which is more than enough for me just to show you this demonstration. So from here you can top up as much as you want. Right now I have credits, so I'm able to use the API calls. So go back to n8n, and here we need to change some settings in order to get the best possible result. So the tool description, just leave it as set automatically. You don't need to change it. The operation is to message a model. So we are going to message Perplexity models, and I'm going to tell you which models we are going to use. So we are going to send a message and tell that model that, hey, this is our topic. Go inside the internet and deep research on this topic and returns us some data. So for this, you're going to keep it on this one. And for the model, you see that they have different models. They have R1, they have Sonar, Sonar Deep Research, Sonar Pro, Reasoning, and Reasoning Pro. So a quick tip, if you go to Google and type Perplexity API documentation and click on the first link, it will take you directly to their documentation page where we can see how we can use different models. So under this tab, if you click on models, here now you can see that they have search models, which is Sonar Pro and Sonar. So these are only for lightweighted search. As you can see, they are saying that lightweight and cost-effective search. If you want these kind of results, you definitely can use Sonar Pro or Sonar. And for the research model, which is the models that conduct in-depth analysis and generate detailed reports. So for these kind of outcomes, we're definitely going to use Sonar Deep Research. And again, for reasoning models, so if you want your models to perform some complex or multi-step tasks, then you definitely have to choose Sonar Reasoning Pro and Sonar Reasoning. So for this one, we just want to give a topic and we want to make a deep research on that. I'm just going to use Sonar Deep Research. So go back to n8n, and from here we need to choose Sonar Deep Research. And here under the message, we need to exactly define how we can send this message to our model. So the role for this message is a user. We are a user and we are sending this message. And for the text, all you have to do is to just click on this button, and you will let the AI agent decide what to put here and send it to Perplexity. You don't have to worry about it. And pretty much that's it. I think we are good to go, and now we can test our AI research agent and give it a topic and see what it gives us. So I'm just gonna click save. Always don't forget to click save after any changes so you don't lose your progress. And now I'm gonna open the chat, and I'm just gonna say that latest news about AI trends. So if I click enter, you'll see that our AI agent is using the brain, and right now it is hitting the Perplexity, performing a deep research inside the internet. But keep in mind that if you are using the deep research method inside Perplexity, it might take longer than usual. So once it is done, I'm gonna get back to it and I'll show you the result. All right, great. Now you can see our deep research is done, and it almost took 3 minutes to do that research. So let me just open my AI agent here and see what is the output. All right, so as you can see that here we have an output, and here it says here's a comprehensive overview of the latest AI trends. So let me just open it from here. It is better so we can see it. All right, guys, now you can see that this is the deep research inside the internet using Perplexity, and it gives us this information about the latest trend about AI. So it was able to generate some trends. The first one is AI agents revolutionizing workflows, and the second one is AI's energy and infrastructure sustainability crisis, and the third one is regulatory developments and fragmentation about AI. Yeah, these are the latest news about AI world, which I didn't know, which is good. Now I can read and understand what is going on in the AI field. The fourth one is advances in reasoning and robotics. The fifth one is commercial investment and industry consolidation. The sixth one is ethical, safety, and IP challenges. Very good. And now imagine that what you can do with this research. So for you to search the internet and come up with this result, it will take you more than probably 3 or 4 hours to find this information and just polish it in a way now we have. But as you can see, about 3 minutes we got this data using Perplexity and n8n. And imagine that you can run this automation every single day, and every day you can find different topics and give those topics to your AI research agent, and you can come up with very good research. And now imagine that you can give this research to speech-to-text platforms like ElevenLabs and create a podcast for it, and create a video and just give it a background music and just upload it to YouTube, and now you can automatically run a YouTube faceless channel talking about AI trends or anything else. And from here we can again start building on top of our AI agent. So for example, the next step, I can bring a Google Sheet here, and I can feed this data which comes from Perplexity to Google Sheet, or I can bring another node which is a Gmail node, and I can send an email including these information to whoever I want. So the possibilities are endless. You can do whatever you want, just you need to be creative. And I just wanted to show you how you could build a very powerful AI research agent only using a no-code platform like n8n and Perplexity. So guys, if I want to tell you about the cost, actually I'm back in my Perplexity account, and you see that my balance was 2.86. So if I refresh this, we should be able to see the remaining balance. So right now I have 2.28 cents. So this means that I only spent 58 cents in order to generate that research based on the latest trends about AI. So you see that it is very cheap. All you have to do just to give it a try and see what you can build with this amazing workflow. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found value and you enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a like. It definitely helps me to show this video to more people on YouTube who might need it. And if you want this template for completely free and you don't want to build it from scratch, all you have to do is just to join my VOP community. The link to it is down in the description. Once you click on that link, you will come to this page, and we have a free community and we have a paid community. You are more than welcome to join any of them. Once you join, just go to the Learn section, and under the Learn section, you can go to free resources, and you can find the JSON file to this workflow. Just download it, go back to your n8n and open up a new workflow, and click on these three dots and import the file from here, and then you can start working with this workflow inside your N8N. Once again, thank you so much made it so far watching this video. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, how we can use N8N and build more powerful AI agents, just put a comment under this video. I'll be reading them and I'll answering them as soon as possible. I wish you a great day and I'll see you in the next video.